The 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350 is a perfect blend of timeless design and modern engineering. With its vintage-inspired aesthetics, the bike retains the classic charm that enthusiasts love. Featuring a teardrop fuel tank, round headlamp, and iconic Royal Enfield badge, the bike's matte finish paint options add to its rugged and retro appeal, while the chrome accents give it a subtle touch of sophistication. Every detail, from the twin-pod instrument cluster to the spoked wheels, reflects the brand's commitment to heritage and style. Underneath its classic exterior, the Classic 350 boasts a refined 349cc single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth, dependable power with improved efficiency. The updated fuel injection system ensures better throttle response and cleaner emissions, making the ride more enjoyable and eco-friendly. Paired with a 5-speed gearbox, the bike offers a comfortable and effortless ride, ideal for both city commutes and long highway journeys. Its refined exhaust note adds to the sensory experience, creating a distinctive presence on the road. Comfort and control are prioritized in the Classic 350's ergonomic design. The well-cushioned, sprung saddle promises hours of comfortable riding, while the upright seating posture reduces fatigue. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic front forks and twin shock absorbers at the rear, providing a smooth ride even on uneven roads. The bike's dual-channel ABS enhances safety by offering reliable braking performance in various conditions, making it suitable for riders of all levels. The 2025 Classic 350 also embraces modern conveniences without compromising its retro vibe. Features like LED tail lamps, a USB charging port, and an optional digital analog instrument cluster elevate the riding experience. Additionally, the bike offers various customization options, allowing riders to personalize their machines to reflect their unique style. With its perfect harmony of heritage, performance, and practicality, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 continues to capture the hearts of motorcycle enthusiasts worldwide.